Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make 2 or more columns in Microsoft Word 2022. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my laptop, I just opened Word application, so I just opened the sample files. So the sample file has the chart and the sample file has the text and the table as well as the image. So I want this single page into 2 columns. So how to divide into 2 columns to make my business or my work purpose. So how to divide this single page into 2 or 3 or more columns. What I have to do here, on top you will find a menu bar, so that is home button, insert, draw, design and layout, and different kind of menus are there. Just select the layout option. Once you go to the layout option, so there will be a columns. Once you select the columns, you will get option called 1, 2, 3 and left and right. So just select 2. Automatically you are moved into 2 columns of your text over here. As you see here, so your picture, your text, your table, everything will be moved into 2 columns. For example, I want to divide into 3 columns. What I have to do here, just select the 3 columns option. The 3 columns will be divided into your model. For example, you have your chat, means the 2 columns will be merged and there will be a text will be divided into 3 columns, but this chart and the image will be in a single column. So it is a beautiful option. For example, you want to make some left and right options. For example, I just select this left option. The left will be in a small and a right will be in a big space, so that they can read and you can give the short notes and brief information you can give here. Otherwise you can need right to left, you can have access. For example, I don't want any kind of details, I want to make some customized one. Just go to the columns, there will be a more columns option. So here you can find for the 1 column and you can divide into 2 columns. As you see here, the preview will be displayed over here. So 3 columns or 4 columns or 5 columns, you can divide whatever you want, and you can divide the size and width also with spacing. For example, I just increase the spacing and sizing, means the columns will be in a different kind of space and sizing over here. So I just click here to apply for overall document or this point forwarded, so you can choose according to your need. I just select here to whole document and click OK, means the columns will be divided over here. So I just go to more columns option. For example, I just want to left side, there is a small space over here, so I want to convert into different spaces. Just I can increase the space so that the left side will be spaces increasing. As you see here, the preview will be displayed over here, and I can click and choose whether whole column or documents at this point forwarded. I can select and give OK, means the column will be divided. For example, you can create for the school or college project or any other business project you want to divide into column, means it is a beautiful and easy option to divide your Word document into the column option to have access to give a brief and interaction about your document. If you like this tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.